Hi guys, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam, and I just wanted to show you, I set this up. This is my Area 56 starter village that I bought about 30 years ago, and I actually have not put it up in many years, but I decided to put it up this year, and I have some other Christmas village ideas to show you coming up in just a few minutes in this video. I have several ideas for you. Alright guys, I added some twinkling lights to this Christmas village. This Christmas village, all of the pieces, I believe everything except for maybe some of the smaller trees, but I think even the smaller trees, all the trees, all the houses, they all came from the 99-cent store. I've spray painted them pink and left the roofs the way they were, except for this church and this church I bought this year. The others were all bought last year. I bought these this year. Oh, I did forget all those little people, and those came from Dollar Tree. The little people and the benches, the sleigh, the snowman, those trees, and those little entryways with the lights, the kids playing, came from Dollar Tree. Now the little twinkling lights they ran out of at Dollar Tree. I bought those on Amazon 12 for $12. I used them for my children's tents for the tent sleepovers, so they worked out perfectly for this. All right, you're going to see next how I've decorated my home and some of the villages that I use around my home too. All right, thank you for watching. This is Carrie at Glitzy Glam. Share this video and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so I can show you lots of more decorating ideas. Thank you for watching. I have a few Christmas village setups to show you. Now this one is Dollar Tree. I painted everything pink and I used some colorful trees, but I got all of these items except maybe the colorful trees. It might have been Walmart, I'm not sure, but all of this is Dollar Tree. And I spray painted them pink, and then I spray painted the roofs white. I wanted to leave those so you can see. And then I'm going to show you on this little church how all the places at the bottom all the way around except for the stairs, I put glue and snow glitter, and I did the same to the top. And that is how this snow village was done. And then this white is just those towels in the automotive department and some snow. I haven't finished these, but I wanted you to see how I did, but I did put that on the truck. Alright, so this is another idea, a smaller version, and you're going to see I have lots of Christmas villages that decorating my home. Now this one won't stay in my home. This one I'll probably give away once I'm finished, but now let me show you the next one. Alright, now these little houses came from 99-cent store. I couldn't pass them up. They're lighted. And then these, I just made a smaller little village with these. This is a candle holder I made from Dollar Tree candlestick, and then another candle holder. This was $2. I made that from Dollar Tree. I have two of them that I keep candles in, and then I bought this one. I filled it, put snow in it, and then put these in there for a smaller little Christmas village. And then I showed you this. If you don't have room for that, you can always just make these Christmas village ornaments to put on your tree. I have a video showing you how to do that. And those are 3 different villages. 99-cent store, the big, long, pink one village, all of that is from 99-cent store. And then the small pink ones with the truck and camper was from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, I want to show you the top of my counter cabinets at the top of my kitchen, because I'm going to end the video with these cookie jars, Victorian house cookie jars that I have collected over the 30 years I've been married. And I set these up with Christmas trees to look like a little Christmas village. So I thought I would end my video with this in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video and some of the way I've used it in my own home and some ideas that I'm giving you for your home. Thank you for watching.